Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn what is number system, what are different types of number system like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. We will also learn what are different types of numbers like natural number, whole number, even number, odd number, prime number, co-prime number, rational number, irrational number and real number. After learning these topics, we will have basic understanding to solve a range of mathematical problems based on number system. We will have understanding regarding the usage of different types of number in real life. So let's start with our first question. What is number system? So the answer for this is, it is a method of representing numbers. The next question should be, what is number? And answer for this is, a number is a word created by the combination of digits with the help of certain rules. Now, what is digit? And the answer for this is, a digit is a symbol. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9, A, B, C, D up to Z. It is the basic entity to represent any numbers. Let's see some example of numbers. So the first number is FF90. It's a hexadecimal number and the number system that we use to represent this number is known as hexadecimal number system. Next in the list is this is a decimal number and the number system that we use to represent this number is known as decimal number system. It's also an example of hexadecimal number. Next example is this is a octal number and the number system that we use to represent this number is known as octal number system. It's also example of decimal as well as hexadecimal number. Next example is this is a binary number and the number system that we use to represent this number is known as binary number system. It's again an example of octal, decimal and hexadecimal number. But why we are not calling this number is binary number, and this number is also not a binary number, and this number is also not a binary number? Why we are not calling this as a octal number? So answer for these questions we will see next in the video. Now let's see on what basis we are classifying these different types of number system. Based on the digits and their count used to represent number, we define different types of number system. So first number system in our list is decimal number system. In this number system, the digits or symbol that we use to create are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Means any number that we create by the combination of these digits, we call it decimal number. Also, the total count of digits is 10. So that's why we call it radix 10 or base 10 number system. This number system is also known as Hindu-Arabic numeral system. Digits of the decimal number system are also called as fundamental numbers. Each digit have value relative to each other, where digit 9 have the highest value among all digits. So if we write the number in the ascending order by values, it will be since a number can be of any digit, so value of a number depends on the count of digits that are used for its creation. And to know the value of number, we must know the value of digits at the places where it is present in the number. There are two kinds of values for digits in a number of a decimal number system. First is known as the face value. Second is known as the place value. Now let's take an example to understand the face value and place value of a digits in a number. Here each digit in this number have two values, face value and place value. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. It means face value of 6 is 6, face value of 7 is 7 and face value of 4 is 4. But to know the place value, we need to know the place value table for the decimal number system. place value table for the decimal number system is shown in the picture. Here the table is divided into two parts. Digits to the right side of the decimal is known as decimal part, and digits to the left side of the decimal are known as whole part. Let's mark the position of digits in the whole part from right to left as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, let's mark the position in the decimal part from left to right as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the whole part, position 1 is known as ones, position 2 is known as tens, position 3 is known as hundreds, position 4 is known as thousands, and so on. Similarly, on the decimal part, position 1 is known as tens, position 2 is known as hundreds, position 3 is known as thousands, and so on. In the whole part, here each place to the left is base or radix time greater than the place to its right. That is, as we move from right to left, the place value increases 10 times with each place. Similarly, in the decimal part, each place to the right is base or radix time lesser than the place to its left. That is, as we move from the left to right, the place value decreases 10 times with each place. Now let's place the number in the place value table. So in the whole part, place value of 6 is 6, 7 is 70, 8 is 800, and 9 is 9000. Similarly, in the decimal part, place value of 5 is 5 by 10, 4 is 4 by 100. Let's continue our discussion for the types of number system, and the second number system in our list is binary number system. In this number system, the digits used are 0 and 1 only. Count of the digit is 2. So that's why we call it radix 2 or base 2 number system. Example of the number will be like 11011, 100011, and so on. Third number system in our list is octal number system. In this number system, the digits used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The count of the digit is 8. So that's why we also call it radix 8 or base 8 number system. Some examples of the number will be like 4, 3, 7, 6. And next example can be like 1, 2, 3, 7, 6. Next example can be like 1, 0, 7, 5. Here notice the digits that we are using are only 0 to 7. There is no digits like 8 and 9. That's why we call it as octal number system. The fourth number system in our list is called hexadecimal number system. In this number system, the digits used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. Here the digits count is 16. So that's why we call it hexadecimal number system. Examples of the number will be like FC00DD99, FC1D902, FCEABD10987. Now the next number system in our list is Hexa-tri-decimal number system. In this number system, the digits used are 0, 1, 2 till 9, A, B, C till Z. Means here we are using all 26 alphabets. The total count of digits in this number system is 36. So that's why we call it radix 36 or base 36 number system. Example of the number can be like GT5310ABC. This is a complete one number. Similarly, an example can be 80LK69. This is one complete number. Now one general question can come in our mind is that can we convert binary number system to decimal number system or vice versa? So the answer is yes, we can do conversion of one number system to any other number system.